Well, it's time for a little bit of temptation. I give you the Idaten, a car I've been working on with a private client for a little while now. So we've just gone to the stage of doing a metre-long model. Took a while to print off, but we got there. And this is a quick teaser of what it looks like on the screen. And there we have it. Expect a lot more about this vehicle in the coming months, because the way the client has gone about this is superb, and the aero and all the stuff that's going on with it is something I'm particularly proud to be involved with. Another one, getting to be alive.